Hello all. As a continuation of my lecture series in special electrical machines, we are discussing about other motors, in which in particular we are going to discuss about linear induction motor. In the previous videos we have discussed about AC series motor, servo motor and hysteresis motor, and this is about linear induction motor. So in this video we are going to discuss about the introduction, construction, operation, advantages, disadvantages and applications. Coming to linear induction motor, linear induction motor is a type of electric motor that operates linear straight line motion instead of rotational motion like conventional motors. It operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction, creating thrust along with its length by generating a moving magnetic field. This unique design makes linear induction motors particularly valuable in applications requiring direct linear motion, such as in maglev trains, conveyor systems and amusement rides. Unlike traditional motors with rotating components, linear induction motors have fewer moving parts, which allows for simpler construction, low maintenance and smooth operation, making them ideal for efficient high-speed transportation and industrial systems. So this linear induction motor, it is a type of electric motor that produces linear straight line motion instead of rotational motion like conventional motors. Coming to construction, the construction of a linear induction motor, it consists of two main components, primary and the secondary, which we call it as stator and the rotor. The primary part or stator has laminated iron cores with copper or aluminum windings. When AC flows through these windings, it generates a moving magnetic field along with the motor's length. So in the picture, we can see about the three-phase winding, stator and the aluminum sheet that we call it as conductor. The secondary part, that is typically a flat conducive sheet made of aluminum or copper, may include a back iron to enhance magnetic efficiency. An air gap separates the primary and the secondary, allowing the magnetic field to induce currents in the secondary. This interaction generates thrust, producing linear motion along the length of the motor. So this is the basic construction about stator and the rotor, and there will be an air gap between the stator and the rotor in all the motors where it creates the magnetic field. Here we talk about the thrust. So coming to working, the working of linear induction motor is based on the principles of electromagnetic induction. When an alternating current passes through the windings of primary, it creates a moving magnetic field along the motor's length. This moving magnetic field induces eddy current in the secondary rotor, which is typically a conducive plate made of aluminum or copper. These eddy currents generate their own magnetic field, which interacts with the original field from the stator. The resulting force propels the secondary in a straight line, creating the linear motion characteristics of linear induction motor. The speed and direction of this linear motion can be controlled by adjusting the frequency and phase of the input AC power, allowing linear induction motors to be highly efficient for direct linear applications such as transportation and conveyor systems. So in this video, we have discussed in detail about the basic introduction about the linear induction motor and what is linear induction motor, and coming to construction, and we have discussed about the working of the linear induction motor. So in the upcoming video we will discuss about the rest of the parts like operation, advantages, disadvantages and applications. So in the previous videos we have discussed about the servo motor, hysteresis motor and AC series motor, and in this video we are discussing about linear induction motor. So all these motors which plays a special role, and that's why which is called as other motors, that is special motors which is used for small applications. So this is the picture of linear induction motor where it is connected in uh, it is like a bar, so it is not a rotation type of motor. Thank you.